Welcome to another section of our video, and today we'll be talking about poultry first aid kit. Just like in every homes, you're expected to have a first aid kit in order for any emergencies before you go for proper treatment. Likewise, a poultry farmer need to have what is called poultry first aid kit. Now, what is poultry first aid kit? These are essential medicines, collection of essential medicines, equipment, and supplies that a farmer need to have on hand in order to prevent any emergencies before the veterinarian arrives or before a full treatment plan. Now, what are these poultry essential drugs or kits that a farmer needs to have? One, it should contain drugs for stress and heat. Drugs for stress and heat include glucose, electrolytes, and multivitamins. So, like during the heat season or where there is heat stress, and you have an emergency where birds are dying, you need those things in hand, or before the veterinarians will come. So, the farmer need to have drugs like glucose, like electrolytes, like multivitamins in his poultry first aid kit. Now, for emergencies that affects the GI system, that's the gastrointestinal system, the farmer need to have drugs like coccidostat, drugs like probiotics, drugs like antibiotics. Though these drugs have to be given before the veterinarians arrive so that you prevent a lot of losses that may result if nothing was done. The farmer also need to have activated charcoal in case of poisoning, in case of toxins. So activated charcoal, toxin binders, so that things can be done before the veterinarians arrive. Number 3, for bacterial infections and diseases, in the poultry first aid kit, need to have antibiotics and expectorants. Antibiotics like tetracycline, erythromycin, so before the veterinarians arrive, and expectorants to relieve the birds of any respiratory distress before the vet arrives. Now, fourthly, for wounds and injuries in the farm, the farmer need to have antiseptics like Savlon, like Dettol, like iodine. So sometimes birds might injure themselves in the cage. Sometimes if it's in deep litter system, the birds might have something entangled to their legs. So you need scissors also, you need bandages, you need wound spray like oxystate spray, so you need wound healing oils. So the scissors, bandages, cotton wool, these are part of things that this poultry kit should contain. You also need to contain forceps in case there are something that you need to remove from the birds. So forceps, scissors, bandages, cotton wool, wound healing oil, wound spray, Savlon, Dettol, iodine for wounds. Then lastly, you have pour on and the rest, so that these can be administered before the veterinarian arrives or before a full treatment plan for the poultry. For wound and injuries, we need antiseptic solution for dressing the wound. This includes Savlon, Dettol, iodine. Then for healing of wounds, you need wound healing oil or oxytate spray. Then for dressing of wound, you need scissors, you need bandages, you need cotton wools. Then for removing objects, you need scissors, you need small forceps. These should be contained in the poultry first aid kit. parasite. You need, in this same kit, you will need albendazole or piperazine for tapeworms or hookworms. Then for lice and other insects and ectoparasites, you will need for external parasites, you're going to need insect spray or insect powder, or like that contain piperides that contain permethrin or boron to deal with this external insect. So a poultry farmer needs this poultry first aid kit to prevent losses from emergencies. If you don't have it before the vet come, what should happen? Are you going to allow your birds to die? Are you going to allow the infection to spread further? So you need all these things to be available in the poultry farm. Thank you. So see you in the next video.